Hi, this is Lane Griffin with Dolce Vita IT Solutions. Today we're going to briefly cover a recent client experience with the use of the DarkCubed SIM system. We'll provide the basics on what DarkCubed is intended to do, and we'll show two examples of the system in use. We appreciate you making the time to take a look. As a bit of background for those who are not familiar with DarkCubed, it's a cloud-based system which continuously provides information on locations on the internet which are security threats. It combines information from numerous industry sources from around the world to grade or to rate internet addresses as to the level of malicious threat. In real time, it works with an appropriate firewall security to block traffic. This becomes extremely important because many hazardous infections will direct traffic from a computer to malicious sites. Now, content filtering might not necessarily block this traffic, so DarkCubed is extremely useful because it can dynamically work in conjunction with the firewall to block this traffic. So what we want to do today is to illustrate the result when DarkCubed is used with appropriate firewall security, and we'll look at two cases. One case is where DarkCubed is not integrated with firewall security, and the second example will be a case where DarkCubed is appropriately integrated with the firewall. Now, in a typical business network, there will be servers and workstations that are tied together with a switch, and the traffic will travel through the switch out the firewall and will go out to various locations on the internet. But what happens if a machine visits a malicious website or a user opens a phishing email? Well, content filtering and antivirus might possibly not catch this. So that would end up resulting in the attacker being placed inside the network. So what can be done? With DarkCubed, artificial intelligence is used to gather information on all types of different locations on the internet and to actually use evidence from a wide variety of sources to grade the malicious level of internet locations from 1 on the low end up to 9 on the high end. As you can see from the diagram, these are rated in the DarkCubed system. On the low end would show up in the diagrams in green. Moderate threats would show up as yellow, and severe threats would show up as red. As you can see on this diagram, this is a client which does not have the DarkCubed system integrated with their firewall security. It's a client with only 6 users. It covers a 2-week period of time, and as you can see from the diagram, the severe threats continue to grow over this 2-week period of time, with red showing as severe, with yellow showing as moderate, and with green showing as benign. This second client has their DarkCubed system integrated with their firewall security software. It is a client with about 60 users, and as can be seen from the diagram, the very thin red line along the top indicates that severe threats are being continuously blocked in real time by the DarkCubed system integrated with the firewall. And as the users and the devices go out to the internet, each of those sessions is checked with DarkCubed, and DarkCubed dynamically blocks those threats which are seen to be severe. So in summary, it's easy to see that if DarkCubed is integrated with appropriate firewall security, it can have a huge impact on reducing business risk. I want to thank you for watching and see you soon.